Hi and welcome back to our channel. Today we will grill a super easy but delicious recipe. Grilled spicy chicken wings with some amazing stuffed red peppers filled with cheese and bacon. As you may know, our two main interests are food and nature. We grew up with stunning mountains filled with huge forests around us. We always went on hikes and we couldn't wait to build a camp, light a fire and cook something delicious. This was the lifestyle that we grew up with, and it is the same today. Maybe the only change was that we are more preoccupied with the health of nature that surrounds us. We took it for granted when we were kids, but soon we realized that if we don't take care of it, then the future generations might not enjoy it as we do now. You can see how old is the tree by counting the rings. A fully grown pine tree needs many decades. Forests played a major role in keeping our planet healthy and us alive. They give home to roughly 80% of land animals and plants on Earth. The amount of oxygen produced by an acre of trees per year equals the amount consumed by 18 people annually. And it removes up to 2.6 tons of carbon dioxide each year. They are the barriers against erosion, landslides, and avalanches. The more ancient the forest, the more efficient it is at absorbing CO2 and producing oxygen. Here you can see a small stream which was converted in a small water reservoir for wild animals. This hole, for instance, was dug by a bear trying to find an underground beehive. Forests offer many natural medications, fruits, nuts, mushrooms, berries, meat, and many more. It is a complex ecosystem which is essential for our survival. Many people don't realize that our lives rely on the forests. We need to find a solution against deforestation because forests are disappearing at an alarming rate. Scientists can't even foresee all the bad effects that will arise because of deforestation. These are just a few facts why we need to preserve them while we can, because we can't afford to lose them. During our short hike, we were watching how nature is coming to life. Ferns started to grow. Wood sorrels too. They are amazing and we will use them in a future recipe. We found cowslips. The flowers are commonly used for tea, for example. And one of our favorite plants found in forests is the wild mint, which can be used for a wide variety of recipes and drinks. And on that note, let's proceed by cooking our delicious meal in this beautiful place. For this recipe we used red peppers, red onions, scallions, bacon, cheese, any kind of cheese you like, olive oil, salt, honey, chicken wings, oregano, basil, chili powder, garlic powder, and soy sauce. We start by making our marinated chicken wings. We pour the soy sauce on the wings. We add some olive oil, salt, garlic powder, chili, oregano, basil, and last the honey. We mix it well and we leave it to rest for half an hour. The exact amounts are in the description below as always. We proceed by dicing up some bacon. We cut in half the red peppers and some red onions. We slice the scallions very thin because we will use them to garnish our stuffed red peppers. In a hot cast iron pan we sear the bacon until golden and crisp. When done, we let it cool and we mix it with the cheese. We fill the red peppers with the mixture we've got, and we put them on the grill along with the red onions. We grill the red onions just lightly with a pinch of salt and olive oil. The red peppers and the onions are done in a few minutes. When they are ready, we take them off and we add the chicken wings to our grill. The grilling of the wings is straightforward. We grill them until they reach a temperature of 75 degrees Celsius or 167 degrees Fahrenheit. When they are cooked, we take them off. We garnish the red peppers with some diced scallions that we did earlier, and this amazing recipe is done. We love this recipe because it has many flavors which complement each other beautifully. If you enjoyed our video, then don't forget to subscribe, like, or leave a comment below. See you next time.